lang ng Eclipse, hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng other software. So automatic kapag dinownload natin yung SDK, yung BADA SDK, ngayon yung version niya is BADA 1.02. Okay? So pag dinownload natin sa internet, automatic meron ng editor. Okay? So we could type programs. So we could type source codes, so that kumbaga we could develop kumbaga programs, and then we could develop applications, we could develop games, etc. So it depends. So development tools including SDK, so information reference materials for development. So we have the IDE. The IDE is the editor that we use in developing programs. So like for example, you are into developing programs, you are studying programming, for example. So like C, so there are lots of editors ng C. So meron tayong Dev C++, meron tayong C Free, meron tayong Code Blocks. So yun yung tinatawag nating IDE, wherein we could type source codes for the creation of the program. So and then we have the UI builder. So syempre kumbaga we have the user interface. So syempre kumbaga if we're going to develop an application or a game, so we need a UI builder wherein we could develop a user interface. So the user interface is somewhat na kumbaga pwede tayong mag-import ng mga graphics, ng mga GUI, ng mga buttons, etc. So depende sa kailangan natin. So and then simulator. So simulator is the one we use to run the program. So like for example, in the common development, so for example, you develop a simple program, calculator. So once you run the program, so you will see the output. So in BADA, so you will see the output using the simulator. So parang cellphone siya. So later makikita natin yan. So we will have kumbaga yung demo nung BADA, so isang program. So and then we have the sample codes, etc. So and then dive into BADA. So we have the continuous support through forums, premium support. So kumbaga so BADA has its own website developed by Samsung. So since kumbaga Samsung is a manufacturer of mobile phones, so they develop as a website so that could entertain some of the queries of the developers. So of course, kumbaga BADA was released somewhere in 2009. So meaning kumbaga in just 1 year, more than a year, so syempre kumbaga there are lots of people who wanted to know more about BADA. Okay, so and then for example, you heard it from a seminar, so etc. So like for example, so we actually kumbaga we attended the seminar the last somewhere in November, so or October ata, so sa school. So kumbaga we are the host of the seminar ng Samsung, so together with other schools in Manila. So so we have BADA. So we have the smartphones for everyone. So we have the feature phone, we have the smartphone. So kumbaga we use the cell phone that we use to deploy those applications in BADA or games in BADA is the Samsung Wave. Okay, so this is the phone that is being designed for kumbaga BADA. So okay. So we have the Wave, so the first BADA phone. So worldwide deployment, so 100 operators in 80 countries will have BADA phones and Samsung apps. So since kumbaga BADA OS is free and open source, kumbaga there are lots of developers who would develop the kumbaga programs or applications in our cell phone. So not just Samsung. So they do not contain it on their organization, but what they do is they offer it to the people, so that the people could have the initiative in developing for example applications, in developing games. So that's their one marketing step. So they actually give for example chance to the people na mas makapag-develop ng mga bagong applications. So that's why there are lots of programmers who who are being interested in developing BADA phones or BADA applications in kumbaga in BADA phones or in BADA enabled phones. Okay? So and then we have